In this video, I'm going to show how reliable is YouTube in their estimates of the progress made in the monetization process. So I have more than enough hours, more than enough subscribers, and it has been well over a week. Everything's set up, and I'm making this video to see if they're going to try to shadow ban the channel, or how long it's actually going to take, what the process is right now in December 2022. I hear other people say it's right at about 60 hours. It's about a week and a half for me. Don't listen to anybody when they say send feedback. It did not work. I did not receive any kind of reply, nor did they look at my channel anymore. So I will update this as it goes, but right now the process is still very, very slow for channel review. They got a big enough budget they can hire more people. This may, and in fact, cause the reviewer that sees this video to maybe decline me, and that would be basis for a lawsuit. But I'm not extremely happy. I know it takes a while. I'm just saying, if this takes over a month and gets stuck like some people for 8 months for no reason at all, then we're going to have a serious problem. So far, it's over a week and a half in, and no progress whatsoever on step 3. And I don't see a lot of videos on this, so I wanted to make this to let people know that you are not alone. You are not the only YouTube creator that goes through this. This is not my first rodeo. This is not my first channel at all. I've had a lot of channels, but this is the first time that this has happened to me. So we will see, and I will keep you informed. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. We'll talk to you again soon.